晚上好，大家晚上好。
晚上好，老师。
你
晚上
好，你们好。好的，我们来开始。
好，老师。
晚上好，来Lauren 可以吗？我叫 Mark Johnson。Let's run it one time lang.
Read po.
Read lang, first box. First dialogue.
我叫 Mark Johnson，中文名字是马克，认识你们很高兴。
OK，好的，谢谢。Kate 第二个 second box。
大家好，我是中文名字是安娜，很高兴认识大家。
OK，Anna Rose 第三个。
你们好，我叫 Steve Brown，中文名字是史蒂夫。
OK，谢谢。来，Let's start answering。来，Jean，1到3 1 to 3。第一、第二、第三。问 and then 答哈。问 means question，答 answer。
Yung sa taas po, no?
对，
Mark 的中文名字是什么
是
？Mark
莲娜
的
是
Mark 的中文名字是马克。
OK。
Yung tatlo po ba?
对，1 to 3。
Ana 的中文名字是什么？Ana 的中文名字是 Anna。Steve 的中文名字是什么？Steve 的中文名字是hindi ko po makita yun sa baba. Kalimutan ko yung pangalan niya. Ano pangalan? Shi Defu.
是地府。好的
Shi Defu.
，Nico Nico 哈。好的，谢谢。Yani 1到3，1、2、3。
Mark 的中文名字是什么？Mark 的中文名字是
Mark 的
Maka。
OK，Mark 的哈，Mark 的中文名字。
Anna 的中文名字是什
OK，Number
么
2，
？Anna 的中文名字是
名
Anna。
字
名字是 Anna。
名
Steve
字
的
字。可是
名字
if you use yung 字 no is letter J. You need to
名字
know the difference of 字 saka 字。ang 字 letter J 嘅 字siya ha，名字。OK，
名字 Steve 的中文名字是什么？Steve 的中文名字是史蒂夫。
OK， 的哈的
的
Steve 的。来好的，来一下。OK，Kate 可以吗？
Mark 的中文名字是什么？Mark 的中文名字是马克。Anna 的中文名字是什么？Anna 的 中文名字是安娜。Steve 的中文名字是什么？Steve 的中文名字是史蒂夫。
Okay, Anna Rose.
Mark 的中文名字是什么？Mark 的中文名字是马克。Anna 的中文名字是什么？Anna 的中文名字是Anna。Steve 的中文名字是什么？Steve 的中文名字是史蒂夫。
Okay, 是。来，Lauren.
Mark 的中文名字是什么？Mark 的中文名字是马克。Anna 的
名字。
名字
Kasi para siyang parang nagiging I eh. So, letter I.
名字。Anna 的中文名字是什么？Anna 的中文名字是 Anna。Steve 的中文名字是什么？Steve 的中文名字是史蒂夫。
Okay, 史蒂夫。是啊，史蒂夫。
史蒂夫。
好的，来，let's try reading na ha, the part. And then I said what is, how to ask a question, what is your surname? Or family name or last name? How to ask a question?
你
姓什么？
姓什么？
你姓什么? Or the other
你
way,
姓
你姓什么？The other way.
or the other way, 你贵姓? Remember? 你贵姓? Okay, 你姓什么 or 你贵姓? So if I said 我姓李, so 我姓, then your surname, like this one. So this is two way of asking what is your surname. 你姓什么 or 你贵姓? Okay? Again, the 贵 can be the your. Parang respectful na your or ino-honored ka. No? The 贵, the other word, the other meaning of 贵, this is the character eh. The other meaning of 贵, it's expensive. Diba? Sometimes in one character, there's a lot of meaning, kagaya ng shi. Diba? A lot of usage ng shi. The 贵 also, it can be your, and it can be also means expensive. Like if your dress is expensive, if you already learn what is dress or what is clothing, you can say, 衣服很贵. No? The clothes is very expensive. Okay? Next time, if you are learning the adjective na, you know how to use it na. Okay? The 贵 is also means expensive. So again, what is your name? How to ask a question, what is your name?
你贵姓？
What is your name? Name. What
你
is
叫
your
什么？你叫什么名字？
你叫什么名字? How you answer?
我叫人有。
我叫
No?
你叫
我叫
You can also literal answer din na, like how you say my name is. Sige nga, how to say my name is. Not using 我叫. Other way
我
around.
是名字。
我名字是我
Sige. So yung my is 我, tapos
我是
名字
我名字. Okay.
是
是. Tama naman. May
My name is
inaangkin mo. You have a possessive.
literal.
my ano na yun?
Water means
Yes, using the the. Very
Ayun.
good. See? This is literal. My name is. 我的名字是.
My name is what you.
Diba? Then your name. You can use 我叫. You can also say 我的名字是. O kaya 我的名字叫. Pwede rin naman. To be called diba? My name. How you call your name. No, you're like saying na ganito mo ko tawagin. So again ha, pag inaangkin mo, you have the possessive, you are my water. Akin yun eh. Water. My. Mine. Water. So tama? So this one can also be, you can also use to ask a question. Pwede rin, how to ask a question? What is your name? In literal. Nita. Diba? How you answer? Ganun din ang question, diba? Nita means sure. What will be the blank?
什么？
Shama. Galing. Pwede ka na kayong iwan. Very good na eh. Okay. So this is the way naman that you ask a question kapag you want literally asking your name. So 你的名字是什么？我的名字是. Diba? Your name is what? Like what is your name? Correct? Diba yung what is, you can put it in the last, it will be is what. So 你的名字是什么? You can take a note on that, huh? Then the answer is 我的名字是. Okay? Yun yung literal. No? Then the other way is 你叫. Yun yung most common. 你叫什么名字? 我叫. 我叫 Jean. 我叫 Lauren. 我叫 Yanni. 我叫 Eponine. 对不对? Okay.
对。
知道了吗? By the way, to let you know, diba, we have Chinese, 中文. Since you are using English, you can say 英文. 英文. 英文 naman is English. So you can say, my English name is. O, paano mo sabihin yung my English name is?
你的
My, my.
我的名字英文是
My English
我
name
的英文
is. So, 我的
英
我们是
英文
名字
是
名字
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 是
是
是 ayun, Lauren. 对不对？我的名字，我的英文名字是 Lauren. Or how you ask a question naman?
你的
How you, okay, 你的
英文名字
英文
是什么？
yes.
是
英文是什么 ？Okay? Got the point na? 知道了吗？明白吗？
好，
好的。老师 having a hard time write the English character kasi naka PDF tayo eh. 好的，知道了哈。So as you can see, same as this one. 对不对？ Can you read that one, Jean? 我是王玉 I am 王玉 Go.
Saan po? 我是王玉 我姓王。
Even the English, para ma-analyze natin. Go ahead. 我是王玉.
Ay, okay. 我是王玉. I am Wang Yu. 我
Okay.
姓王. My family name is Wang. 他叫 Mark. His name is Mark.
Okay. Yung second tone ha, Jean. Wang.
Wang.
Yes, your second tone. 好的 Eponine, 可以吗？我是王玉.
我是王玉。I am Wang Yu. 我姓王。My family name is Wang. 他叫马克。His name is Mark.
好的，谢谢 Yani.
我是王玉。I am Wang Yu.
王玉。
我姓王。王玉。我姓王。My family name is Wang. 他叫马克。His name is Mark.
Okay, 好的，谢谢。来 this part naman. Guys, yeah. If you have question 啦，你可以问 you can ask a question. No? 来，这里naman. Guys, yeah. Okay, this part. Kate.
你叫什么名字 What is your name? 我叫王玉 My name is Wang Yu. Mark 的中文名字是马克 Mark's Chinese name is 马克
Okay, 谢谢 Anna Rose, 可以吗 The second line naman. Second part.
你姓什么 What is your family name? 我姓 Brown. My family name is Brown. Mark姓 Johnson. Johnson. Mark's family name is Johnson.
Okay, 好的，谢谢。来 Lauren. 这个 this part.
大是 Mark. He is Mark. 大是 Steve. He is Steve. 大是 Anna. She is Anna.
Okay. So, 有没有问题 Any question from this part? All of you called na ba?
None.
I called everyone na. Let me know if I forgot someone. 有没有问题 Any question? Mila? So, as you can see, no, I am Wang Yi. As I said, the 是 can be am. 对不对? Then answering the surname is literally 我姓王. 我姓, then your surname. Okay? Sige nga, let's try. First question is, you ask someone what is your name and then what is your surname. Okay? I'll start with Kate. I'll ask you, then you pass the question to them, huh? Okay, Kate. 你好，
你好
你叫什么名字？
我叫 Eugene Kate nag-search po ako ng Chinese name Eugene Kate 我叫 Eugene Kate
好的，literal 那 Kate，好的。你姓什么？
我姓 Eugene
Okay. So if you say 名字, okay lang included naman yung surname. It's not ano naman. Pero you can also, if you say 名字, you can say the first name. Sometimes kasi pag sinabi mo 名字, sometimes they are including their last name. Pero pag sing, literally last name ang hiningi. Okay? 好的，谢谢 Kate. 来, pass the question. You look for someone, then ask your question.
Sorry Jean
Okay po.
Ni ni hao,
Ni hao.
你叫什么名字？
Huwag niya ikakata. Habaan yung konti. Ni hao.
你
Ni
好
hao.，
Yes. Ang iksi kasi ng ni hao ni Jin eh. Ni hao. Nag-cut eh. Okay.
Nasamahan po ng English.
So don't forget yung tones habaan. Ibigay ng buong-buo yung tones niyo para masanay kayo in future reading part, ha? Okay.
Okay po.
你叫什么名字
Ano po ulit?
？I'm sorry，你叫什么名字 ？Sorry， may na ba? Sorry，
Mm.
Okay na po. Pinaprocess ko lang sa utak ko.
Yes.
Ah.
So you practice also your listening skills kasi i-check nyo kung ano yung pinaka-question. Okay?
你姓什么？
姓什么？我姓Melchor.
谢谢。
Oh, what is the reply of Sisye?
Siya ni. Nag-thank you rin.
Nagbigay ako ng copy nun ah. 不客气. 不客气. No, you're
Ano po yan?
welcome.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Parang hindi ko po nabasa yan.
Nandun
Titipot
sa,
ko.
I think, part ng ER, sans, yung counting 1 to 10, nasa lower part yun. Sige. Jean, you ask your classmates muna. Hanapin mo yung 不客气 later.
Okay po. Sino bang tatanungin ko?
Anyone?
Si ano na lang po. Sino po yung kausap ko kanina?
Si Kate.
Kate，
Si
So,
Kate.
you-
Okay.
Done na, pass na ha.
Si Lauren na lang po.
Lauren nila.
Okay.
Ni hao.
你好，
你姓什么？
我姓Sikan。
你叫什么名字？
我叫 Lauren Sikan。
Okay. Hao的.
Okay.
Lauren?
谢谢。Ay,
不客气.
不客气。
Thank you, one na lang sila. Okay. Pwede naman. Pwede naman. Okay.
Yes. Anya.
Ana daw, Ana. Go.
你好，
你好，
你叫什么名字？
我叫屈如熙，
你姓什么？
我姓许，
谢谢。
不客气，
不客气.
不客气。
Okay, Ana, pass.
Wait. Eponym? Eponym. Tama po ba?
Oh, iponin daw. Iponin.
Eponym.
Wait. Go ahead.
你好，
你好，
你叫什么名字？
我叫 Ebony。
你姓什么？
我姓 Sapphire.
姐姐。
Next,
Yeah,
Yanni
ikaw siya.
naman.
Who is next, Eponine?
Yanni po.
Oh, Yanni. Go.
你好，
你好，
你叫什么名字？
我叫杨毅，
你姓是
我姓
嗯
Elarde，
你姓什么？
你姓什么？我姓Elarde。
我姓 Elarde. 好的，谢谢. Next time ha, practice pa tayo more. 对不对? If we learn more. 来看一下. Okay. Sige nga, let's try this one. TE. Kate, you want to try? TE.
我叫王月，我姓I'm sorry, hindi ako naka-follow po. Nasagutan ko po.
Yes.
我叫王，我跟什么什么，我叫王玉，我姓王，tama po or mali? Sorry.
Yes, it's correct. It is correct, no? Kasi
Okay.
我姓王.
我姓王. Thank you po.
Anna Rose.
我叫王优，我姓
Number 2, Anna Rose.
okay po. 你姓ay ano po tong blank po? Name ko po ba ang
You try to check what is the sentence asking.
okay po.
So, connected yan, ha? Sige, try.
Wait lang po.
You can
Sino
try
po?
to analyze what
Ah.
what is the second part saying. So, what will be the answer here?
Okay. Dapat po surname.
What's her name?
Okay. Ni Sing Wang. Tama po ba? Wang Yu.
This one, connected siya with this one. Hindi na siya connected sa number 1. You
Okay.
just focus in number 2.
Ni Sing Zhang. Ni Zhao Zhang Wei.
Yes. Where did Anna get the Chang? Everyone?
Zhang Wei.
Second part.
Wei, surname.
Yes,
Wei.
the Chang Wei. Chang Wei is the name with a surname, right? Which one is the surname?
Zhang
Zhang.
So, ang
Zhang.
name niya,
Zhang
Wei.
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 It's normal ha,
Zhang.
na it's really normal in Chinese na may 2 character lang siya at kasama na ang surname niya. Ganun kaiksi. Kaya nga ang dami sa kanila na gumagawa na rin sila ng English name, right? Their own English name.
Yes.
Even in my work, even at 3M, no? Sometimes it's funny kasi meron kunyari, ang Chinese name niya is, kunyari, Chang, tapos Hu. Chang na surname niya, Hu ang name niya. And then ang Hu, the meaning of who of that character is tiger. Literally tiger yung character ng who. So yung English name niya naging tiger. So it depends kung anong English name gusto nila. Okay?
Cute.
Kasi for them kasi ang English name nila just like us in local. The Chinese name, 'di ba, we are registered in English name, 对不对? Ang naka-registered sa atin is 英文名字，对不对？对不对 is correct or not, ha? Correct or incorrect? Yeah, 对不对？ Registered tayo sa English, so the Chinese name of Lao Shi is not registered. Like in our birth certificate, wala naman Chinese name, 对不对? No? We don't have a Chinese name in birth certificate. Sila baliktad. Their birth certificate has Chinese name but don't have English name. So sila gumagawa ng English name nila. The same as ours. Chinese name
So
ang
pwede
ginagawa.
po silang pwede silang kahit anong English name lang na gusto nila.
Yeah. Kaya minsan kung ano English name lumalabas sa kanila. Minsan funny, ang cute and funny na yung English name. Right? Ganun siya. Like us naman, tayo naman, naghahanap ng Chinese name. Tuy-butoy. No?
Yes
Pero
po.
parang usually
True.
po yung iba, yung kapag English to Chinese, parang naghahanap sila ng mismong translation, no?
Oo. Sometimes,
Nung
minsan
English name nila.
minsan is literal translate, parang kay Kate, no? Medyo hawig ang name. Minsan naman, mayroon naman time na parang, kunyari, ang pangalan mo is Jade. Then we will go with the vocabulary words kung ano yung Jade in Chinese. May ganun. No?
Ganun.
Ganun.
Apo.
If I say Tuy is correct. So, ang answer na pag incorrect is Putoy. Kaya sinasabi Putoy.
Toy mo. Toy.
Parang right or
Tuloy po to eh.
Putoy.
Toy.
How po how? Good or not good? Okay, Tisan. Eponine?
我是林韵，我姓丁，
Okay. Ting, we don't have these sounds, Eponine. Ting.
丁
Okay. So, wala tayong ding dong, ha? Wala tayong D. We don't have these sounds. 知道了哈? If you can see, 我姓丁，你呢? My surname is Ding. How about you? 我姓王，我是史蒂夫。I am Steve. How about you? I am 马克。So 你呢? So this is the one that we practice. 你叫什么名字? So how can we try this one nga? 3 persons. Kung sa tutusin, this one, after the letter C, ask the letter A. So balik kay letter A. Si letter A naman ang sasagot.
Yung
Now,
slides po.
Opo,
Hindi
yung slides
naka,
hindi ko po makita.
Ay, sorry. Na-over ba? Okay. How is it?
Stuck po dun sa letter A lang yung kita.
Okay na?
hindi pa rin.
Nag-load sa inyo.
Ayan.
Ayun. Ata? So, let's try. Sige, try muna ako ng sum. Okay, Jean, you can be A. Sino pa yung Yani can be B. And then, Lauren can be C. So, si C, no, pwedeng mag-ask ulit kay A, ha? Balik ulit kay A. Sige, nakikita na?
Apo.
Use this, ha? Not your own. You just use this.
Game na po ba?
Okay, start. Si A, pwedeng make your own name kasi wala naman lumabas na name eh. Surname lang lumabas kay A eh. Go.
Ay.
Jean, 开始。
Sige, okay po. 我姓丁金，你呢？
This one, you use this one. 我姓 Smith, 你呢？
Ay, saan po? Smith. Ay, yung number 2 po ba?
Yes, number 2.
Ay, kasi sa number 1 ako naging. Okay po, game.
This one, this one.
我姓 Smith，你呢？
我姓 Greg. Ay. Ito
Yes,
po
yes,
ba?
yes. Ah.
我姓 Craven. 我叫 Angela. Nina.
Oh, who is C?
我叫我姓 Brown. Ay, 对，
Oh, 我叫
我
Miles.
叫 Miles. 我
Okay.
叫Miles. 我姓 Brown. 你呢？
Or balik sa'yo, Jean.
So,
Saan?
Missing Brown.
Oh, use your own name na lang. 我叫 Jean.
Okay. 我叫 Jean。我姓 Melchor。你呢？
Sa tala ha? So, kung ano yung tanong at first, if you say ni na, continuation, yun pa rin yung tanong. Okay? Ito. So, keep practicing. We will finish this one tomorrow para we can go to the next lesson na. Patapos na tayo sa isang lesson. How? Memorize the vocabulary words, ha? Review this one. How, ma'am? Okay. 再见，明天见. See you tomorrow.
再见，老师。
不客气。
晚安。
Pukachi.
不客气。